You want in on the video? You want to be on the video, Dad? There's Dad. Anyway, hey everybody. Just another amazingly beautiful Indian summer night, and I'm going to stitch a video together tonight out of several pieces, several days Dad and I have been working out here. And you're going to see some fun stuff. Basically, we've been started to paint parts as we get them cleaned up, so they'll all be ready, dry and cured when we go to reassemble the tractor. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not a professional painter. A lot of you are going to have other opinions. You're going to go, oh, you should have done this, should have done that. I'm not a professional painter. Dad and I and Mom and my brother and all of us and my buddies are all in this stuff because we like the history, we like the adventure, we just like doing crazy stuff. We're not professionals, so anything you see, it is what it is. It's going to look better than if it just sat there and rotted away. So we get where we get. We get what we get, we go where we go. So anyway, enjoy the video. Hit like and subscribe. Free to subscribe, of course. I appreciate everyone that does that, and love to see that, and welcome all the new people, and hi, you know, welcome aboard. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me over the sound of the air compressors, but first order of business is going to be getting these apart, getting the inner axles out of the housing so we can start cleaning up. Get these all needle scaled down or wire brushed down. So that's how I'm going to start out today. I honestly think we're farming woolly bears this year. It's about the millionth of these little guys. Let's see if we can get a good picture of you, buddy. About the millionth of these little guys that I've hauled out of the barn. Come on, pal. Go. There you go. Live outside. This is what they used to call Indian summer around here. It's November 2nd. Probably 65, 68 degrees. It's really pretty out. Neighbors out taking off corn. One of those rare times in Ohio, we haven't had a nice Indian summer in a long time, when you can get stuff done outside in November. So I'm going to put some brown primer on this wheel center and get to the other one. Okay, this may be a little hard to hear. Dad's in the background running the compressor, so we got a lot of background noise. This long oil tube is kind of a splash oil system that keeps the PTO lubricated. It's kind of a splash oil system that keeps the PTO lubricated. Oil enters the tube right here through this galley, runs down and oils the PTO, which sits out here. Now to get this bull gear out, this tube has to come out. This little guy is basically just threaded. So all I did was tap, 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 tap. So as I was saying, tap it around till it's loose, and then this thing will just thread right out, theoretically. And our oil tube slides out the back end, goes in the parts washer. Alright, now that oil tube's out, can maneuver Mr. Bull Gear out of here. Yeah, it's tight quarters. Oh boy. There you are. Slimy. Oh boy. Hey folks. Oh boy, what a day. I tell you what though, do you see the problem? I see the problem. Can you kids see the problem? Oh yeah. Tell you what, we have a pulse. She's gonna live yet. This is the differential carrier outer bearing. Now that whole thing's got to come apart, of course, because I got to look at all the other ones. Other side looks good, but we're replacing them both. I was not crazy. I found pieces of bearing cage in the oil when I drained it a couple of years ago. I knew I wasn't crazy, and there they friggin' are. There they are. How this thing was rolling at all is beyond me, but it actually sounded not horrible. Well, both the world's noisiest compressors just kicked on, but I'll build this in with the update. There is our maybe, oh, that's kind of mushroomed, our left independent brake pedal. I think that probably the first time this brake clutch shaft has been out since she was built. Tell you what, kids. Tell you what, folks. It has been a long time since I painted anything, so this ought to be good. Well, Mom and I are on our way for supplies because something changed. Because 25 years ago, when I painted stuff when I was a kid, I always mixed up my paint and red Solo cups. And now, whether we got knockoff Solo cups or I just don't have stupid luck anymore, paint eats the Solo cups. So I think now the Solo cups are now biodegradable, so the solvents just went right through them. So, you know, it's gonna be funny but that's why we're on our way to town, because the Solo cups died on us and now there's red all over the floor. But, you know, here we go.
I never need to prove that I have no idea what I'm doing, because that's always obvious.
In the first place, you didn't go home and get something.
Well,
You get too much of a hurry.
think that's enough fun for now. Hmm?
Nice walk-up plastic.
Oh yeah, they can walk up anything. Straight up. They'll walk straight up the side of a 5-gallon bucket, but they can't get out once they're inside of one. Can't believe, oh wow. Can't believe we were able to paint in November. It is warm. It's still like 70 degrees and it's dark. Nice moon tonight. Of course, you can't see it with the phone. Yeah, it's not going to do it.
Well, a couple of pictures with purpose.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab showers and edit video and watch some YouTube.